Hello, Augies Worldwide. I'm Dave Kassler, amateur radio call sign KE0OG, here with another episode of, is it Ask Dave or Complain to Dave? There is a problem that seems to be really terribly bothering a lot of Augies about my studio, and it is this lamp behind me that is leaning. The leaning lamp of Dave. Now there's a reason that this lamp leans, and that is because I need light down here. When I'm working on the computer or something like that, and I have stuff here, I'd like a light on it. The way this lamp works, the lamp sits on a pile of paper over here and comes through this cutout, which is a handle for picking up the set of stuff. And down here on the bottom, it has a little piece right there. And so when this thing wants to fall, it hits that and it prohibits the lamp from falling. Now, things that are crooked tend to drive people mad. So, I have acquiesced, and here is what I have done. I went down to Walmart and found this desk lamp for $7.99. Note that the base is here, but the light comes out over here. This is an LED lamp, and it's got an AC outlet on here you can plug chargers and stuff into. This costs, I think, just $7.99, but it turns on. So let's take this lamp and we'll just set it there. And now we have an ordinary desk lamp that puts the light down there. Now I can go further by taking all the pieces of paper out of in there and just setting this down like this. And now we have light down here, and it's an LED, and it only goes in one direction, so it's 200 lumen, meaning it just comes down here with 200 lumen, whereas the old lamp had an 800 lumen bulb, but it sprayed everywhere. So there you have it. I'll give you a close-up of this lamp. This is the lamp right here, and it's got a nice little space in there for the LED, a gooseneck, and a spot that just sits down right here. We no longer have a leaning lamp. This thing is on this base right here and can come over because of the gooseneck and give me the light down here where I need it. And the problem is solved. And so those of you who worry about leaning lamps and the issues that they might cause in a world with gravity, I have solved the problem. And I thank you for the suggestion. And there you have it. If you would like to help support this channel, please go to dkassler.com/support, where you have 3 ways there. It's a one-time tip jar, a repeating tip jar, or Patreon. Thank you all very much, and until we next meet, 73.